Amen. Amen. That's all we wanted was accountability.
Relief and a feeling of justice served from a grieving father. Nearly 2 years ago, Trinity Ottoson-Smith was shot and killed as she jumped on a friend's backyard trampoline, an innocent victim of deadly gun violence in North Minneapolis. Today, an admission of guilt.
There will be no trial in this case. Instead, Dupree Robinson has agreed to a nearly 40-year prison sentence. Our Paul Blume was in the courtroom for today's guilty plea. And Paul, no trial means no chance for a life sentence.
Cousin Randy, that's right. Dupree Robinson's first-degree murder trial was scheduled to get underway today with jury selection. Instead, the two sides hammering it out in agreement here. Robinson pleads guilty to second-degree murder. He gets a 37.5-year prison sentence. And while nothing, of course, will bring back their daughter, Trinity's parents finally have someone taking some responsibility.
We don't know what justice looks like, what it feels like, but we do know what accountability feels like, and this was it.
Trinity Ottoson-Smith's father left the courthouse after Monday's guilty plea, telling me he felt at peace, that a huge burden was lifted up after nearly 2 full years of grief and anger.
I felt something come up off of me, some anger, some weight. It just lifted off of me once he said what he said.
It was noontime Monday when now 20-year-old Dupree Robinson admitted that, yes, he was the gunman shooting at a rival's home while driving through this North Minneapolis neighborhood May 15, 2021. He was aiming at someone else and knew it was a risk, firing with a backyard full of young children with an eyesight. Through tears of his own, Robinson confirmed it was one of his rounds that struck and killed Trinity while she jumped on a trampoline. Ray Sean told me he never takes off his precious necklace here with his daughter's pendant.
I don't know if they were crocodile tears or not, if it was more for, the fact that he has to face the time and not so much what he did, but ultimately the fact that he had to say out of his own mouth what his actions were.
In exchange for pleading guilty to second-degree murder, just as a trial was set to commence, prosecutors agreed to drop the first-degree murder count that could have netted Robinson a life sentence upon conviction. Instead, Robinson gets 450 months, 37.5 years in prison.
I'm not a barbaric, savage kind of individual, so I do believe in leniency. Not to say that he's forgiven, but he does have to face the Reaper in a sense, right?
And I want to show you this powerful moment at the courthouse right after the plea. Take a look. That is Trinity's stepmom going over there, hugging LaDavion Garrett Jr.'s grandmother. Their families, of course, both touched by senseless gun violence a couple of years ago, and several children were shot. Police are still looking for the gunman who shot LaDavion in the head. As for Dupree Robinson and Trinity Ottoson-Smith, Robinson will be formally sentenced on March 21st. We're live in News for you tonight. Paul Blume, Fox 9.
All right, Paul, thank you.